guys, as you can see, yung payment proof ko po sa Vova app. Kung makikita nyo guys, fresh na fresh pa. Just 4:25 PM na-receive ko po yung email notification from PayPal na na-receive ko na yung request kong withdrawal galing sa Vova app. And dito naman sa PayPal account ko, as you can see, pumasok na rin po yung payment. So, legit guys, 100%.